Oh, wow.
Oops, sorry.
Sorry about that.
Now go stand on your running board. Move closer to him and pick him up.
Oh, no, she got her kayak.
She got her kayak out. Yeah,
No,
buddy, let's give her some waves.
Oh my god. We're really doing this again?
Yep. Don't go left.
I won't go right either. I'll just stay in the middle.
Just stay in the middle. And we got more rain coming right on top of us right now.
Yeah, I was like, this is nuts. Okay.
Oops, yeah, okay. Well, I just knocked him over.
Yeah, I told you did.
Fine.
Hey,
I'll try to...
get your kayak, come up here. Is that cool? Don't try to go right or left at all.
Which one had a hook on it? That one? Hurting.
What do I need to move? Pull him that way.
It's like, don't come through the deepest part of it.
Heck with them. We got some more stuff coming. That's coming this way.
My backup cameras.
Not for the wind.
I just did. I was showing you.
Oh. So you did the vehicle stranded?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Not that one. Street road flooded, street road closed, vehicle stranded. Okay, well, I'm gonna get some pictures of this.
Oh, we got more.
Got more what?
Those are headed right for us.
Yeah, this one looks like it might have a hook on it. Turn this on. But yeah, that one right there. Oh. Which one had a hook on it? That one? Burton?
What do I need to move? Pull him that way.
It's like, don't come through the deepest part of it.
Heck with them. We got some more stuff coming. That's coming this way.
My backup cameras.
Not for the wind.
Might want to make sure they're going to turn first.